some decisions are also made influenced by politics. That's what you're saying on a consultant. And I think it's very important. When we talk about accessibility, we should look at the country wholesomely. If there's one place which is accessible now, it's this region where we are. And that's where we have a very productive area. And it's very important for us to have that consideration. And that's why we are seated here. Actually, that's why we came for this meeting. So don't get so dampened. Don't dampen the spirits of these people.
No, I'm giving them an opportunity to give their views.
Yeah, because we had started very well. And I wish you were here when we were starting. So it's very important. Because you know there are so many factors which also inform the development in this country. And you must not lose that sight. Okay? So we also want to give our input. It's a feeling, that's what we feel, that's what we have gone through from the time when this idea was mooted. And I think somehow we missed out because of certain reasons. So, but it's something which can be remedied. At least we can get a remedy based on the information which will come from this ground, so that there's an aspect of flexibility. If it works, so be it. Because we also want to feel that we belong as a people who are supposed to benefit from this end. So I just want the promises by the government, by various people who have campaigned before, is that we are to have a station at Congo. Na kama haitawezekana hapo ni Buharo iwekwe hapo. That's number one. Because the projection that time was that we utilize barabara ambayo inapita hapa kutoka inatoka hapa Mwena Road going all the way to Kisii, so that we are able to have a area huko Isabani. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa kusudio ya kwanza, so that people are able to transport. Zile miwa ambazo zote zinauzwa huko Cheplat huwa zinatoka Kisii. Ni kweli ama miti zile zinatoka pande hii, zile zinakuwa harvested ni nyingi sana. So that thing will not have any meaning to Kisii kama itakuwa itapita tu hiyo overlap mahali moja na sehemu nyingine inapita. So Madam Consultant, that's an issue which we must take up so that we're able to also benefit from this. You know, tumesema development yoyote huwa inapanua mahali. And if we don't share this cake, then it will be very unfortunate at the end of the day. Because the port is going to expand. We understand the programs which are there. In fact, there's quite a lot of development which is happening in Kisumu City. We are not saying that that development should not take place. Lakini hata hizi zingine zinasaulika. That's what we need. So we insisted, and I even told you I spoke to the MD, Kenya Railways yesterday. We have an industrial park at Siloga. Ambayo inatengezwa. We want to make sure that hizo products zinatoka huko, you don't take them all the way to Bomet, all the way to Kisumu. They should come to their streets, about 14 kilometers, so that we also able to benefit. In this agriculture, kulima iendelee kabisa. Kama mjui, Sondu Miriu was phase 1. Phase 2 was hii Prasa Mawadamu. But wakati ile iliisha, this one was also forgotten. So we want to insist during this stage, Madam Consultant, that one of the ideas which MCA ameweka na ambao ni maoni yetu sisi zote, for at least consideration be given ikuwe Nyabwana ama ikuwe pande hiyo ya Ikongo, itakuwa ni sawa? Itakuwa sasa. So that we also get ile chai ambayo inatoka kwa estate Kericho, inatoka Kipkebe, inatoka Magura. There are so many tea estates around here, so that we can tap instead of those trucks coming ndio hata sisi panuke. And I think that's what the brother was saying, so that we don't talk of neighborhoods as if they're not tenants. Ni hizo madamu wameongea. Any disputes, mahali hakuna documents, they don't pay, they retain the money. Because what happens, railways huwa inatoa zile pesa, ile budget, inapatia National Land Commission. The National Land Commission inafanya assessment. Inasema huyu mgwana ambaye hapo kwa hii, ako na hii document, ako na hii, this is the acreage, ama kashamba kale kamechukuliwa. Then they just continue. So, and that's why she's here. Na amewambia that's what exactly she's doing. Trying to identify project affected persons. Wale ambao wataathiriwa kwa sababu ya hiyo. Because hiyo trade lazima ipite. Upende usipende itafanya nini? Itapita. That's what she called compulsory acquisition. Hiyo ni sheria. So ni lazima muhamasishe kila mtu. Mkubwa kwa hapa, ninyi ni wakubwa, in your own area, ni lazima mwende mwambie watu wale ambao wanakuwa affected. That's why she gave me that corridor mahali hiyo kitu inapita. Waziri ambao wanapanga nakata shamba yako, at least unajua they'll be able to survey, wakaeka hizo vitu wamesema beacons kind, and they still do it. So ni to make sure they can even make special arrangements with the registrars now, my judges, my courts, so they can give grants because of that arrangement. But to bend kidogo ati familia moja ishikilie haitawezekana. Hapo sasa, kuanzia hapo the products zile zinatoka Mombasa zitakuwa zikiingia kwa meli, zinaenda zingine zinaenda Uganda, si ndio maana zingine zinaenda pande hiyo. Then 2C is going to start from hiyo mahali amesema Kisumu, now going all the way to Mombasa. So this is something which is a giant, ambao ina serve Sudan, ina serve Rwanda, ina serve DRC Congo, ina serve Burundi and Uganda. So for us to benefit, because tunajua kisi watu wanafanya bidii, it's very important that we have that stock. And he has eliminated, amesema kuna stop stock zinaenda kwa outside the country, hakuna mahali pengine zinapatikana. So we have a reason really to fight for that.
Hayawi chelewa kuna familia bado ya kwanza ya Mombasa hadi Nairobi hawajawahi lipa pesa yao because of dispute. Na ujue kama NLC ilisema pesa yako utalipa 1 million, even after 10 years bado itakuwa 1 million. Si itakuwa ime appreciate value because it was valued at that certain year. Na hiyo tuseme kama ni 1 million within 10 years itakusaidia na nini? Will you be able to buy land na uhamishe familia? So tusilalie masikio hata kidogo, because ni process tunataka kufanya haraka. Na because ati hujalipwa, SGR haitakuja isimame kwako ati iruke iende. Bado itajengwa tu.